All right, YouTube, I'm back. So we decided we're just gonna take the motor out and get it rebuilt, and he gonna get him another transmission. I'm gonna start working on getting the hood off, getting all these hoses, tucking them loose, clean up. I'm gonna clean up all the wiring, get this radiator out, unhook the battery, get the headers, get those tucking them loose. Just get all the stuff that's gonna be in the way of me trying to get the motor out, get it unhooked. Then I'm gonna work my way down under the car. All right, you too. So I got most of the top end D under the hood. I got radiator out. I got all the exhaust bolts. I got those out. I got the spark plugs out. Got the carburetor off. Got the exhaust bolts on this side. Got this one out. All right, back YouTube. So today is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on trying to get everything done. Far as the transmission, get the transmission cross member, the transmission lines, the drive shaft, and try to get this dipstick out of the way. I think I can just take these hoses off. And the starter, I'm gonna drop it from the bottom. All right, so in this clip right here, I had to reinforce the engine horse that I was using to take the engine out with, because on the far left and the far right, the welds had broken, and I figured that wasn't gonna be too safe to work around. All right, YouTube. So I got the motor out. It was kind of challenging, as you see, that with the little mechanism my uncle made up. But let y'all check everything out. I got it out. She got it out. I had to put it on a tire and move it around the yard so I can, be able to, move it and get to it. I put scraps on it and I pulled it behind my truck. My battery went dead in my phone, so I couldn't record it. And I got the car over here. So what am I planning to do is probably get my pressure washer and clean up the engine bay. Focus on getting all the wire, tucked away, and spray it down with degreaser, engine cleaner, and clean up all this stuff right here. So when I go working on it, everything will be nice and clean, so I won't get too messy. And I'm gonna throw his hood back on so the sun won't, damage it up. And here's his jack. I know y'all probably seen where I was welding, but the first time we had tried it, this piece right here had popped up because he only had these two welds on it and it broke. Probably see it right here. So we took it to his house and we put some nice beams in there, and you can probably see on the video where I welded them in. Did that side right there. I know it's not nice, but it helped. And yeah, it did good. That's tank. And butter these in there. Come here. Come here. Hey boy. Hey baby. Hey boy. And yeah, so I got that to do, and then I'm gonna focus on getting probably getting the paint and everything for the engine bay, getting all that done. And yeah, so y'all like, share, and subscribe to the video. It's been good doing this. I'm gonna probably call this car I don't know, like probably y'all let me know what y'all think I should call it, because you know I always give a car that I'm working on some kind of name. Y'all just let me know what I need to call it. But yeah, man, so y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.